birthday bunny. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my color. This part was way too loud, so I'm just going to be doing a voiceover for the parts that are over loud. So I'm just saying that this is the coloring I'm going to choose to show you. First, I'm going to be choosing a video. This part was also so loud, so I'm right here. I'm just choosing like the video that I'm choosing. So this is the video right here that I'm choosing, and I'm just saving it right now. So yeah. You're first gonna go to is 24 FPs, and then you're gonna import the video, and then you're gonna do mount. I don't know how to say it, but it's gonna be on the screen and stuff. So then you're gonna go to colourtone, import the video. Again, this part was really loud, so you're going to go to Clint on the top and then Spring Plus, and then you're going to put the intensity at 0.28 by just clicking it. So yeah. To ultralight. And then you're going to click the link circles, and then for illumination, put red all the way up. And then for this, you're going to put clarity at +3, sharpen at -10, and noise at -2. Or when I thought of it. So then you're gonna go to prequel. You import the video. Okay, so again, it was way too loud. So what you're gonna do is dust. That's the wrong one I chose because of the filter. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do dust 1 in effects. You're gonna put the dust at 100 and then the filter at 50, depression at 0, and the black dust off. And then you're gonna go to filters. You're gonna do Boston 1 at 50%, and then you're gonna go to just exposure at +20, contrast at -37, highlights at -50, and then shadows at -100. Then you're going to do sharpen at +25, haze at +25, glow at +15, and then you're going to do blur at +50 or whatever you want, and then you're going to save the video. And it was too loud, so then you're just going to save the video. And then you're going to go to Font. I'm not using it anymore. So then you're going to go to Font, and then I already have the theme saved, so I'm just going to use it. So what I have is the font as Children's Sans, and then the style is white, six white. So then you're going to click this first one. For the shadow, and then you're going to make sure it's in the middle of both. And then for Monkey Chanel, I have Cat Love, all undercase. And then for the text is 0, and then stroke is at black, and then the alpha is 100, the width is 3. So then the style, put the shadows exact same one. And then for the blend, it's going to be overlay. And stuff. Because there you can see that's like, and stuff, I guess. So, I'm starting my YouTube channel soon. Can you please subscribe to it? So, there we go. And then you're gonna save the video. And then I usually go to prequel and then put, again, whenever I'm on these apps, it always does it. So you're going to go to intro, you're going to have to scroll down on the side a little bit, and it looks just like this right here. It's intro with like a line through like a thing, and then you're going to like scroll through it until you see this with like this like blue leaf thing, or like yellow leaf thing, and it says iris blur, and then you're just going to put it on, and then you save the video. My coloring. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Peace out.